What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going over month 3 data from our brand new Shopify store launch. Brand new brand, new pixel, new Instagram account, Facebook account. Everything is brand new. We're able to soar up to $39,882 in gross revenue. Super exciting. We actually just broke $5,000 in profit. So we're going to dive into the data right now and discuss some of the things that we've learned the last few months of running this brand, as well as what we're planning on doing in the future to get these revenues up. Okay. So let's dive on into the account. All right, so this is month 2 data. So this is May 1st to May 31st. We'll see the total sales were $11,307. Of that, $3,866 in profit for a blended ROAS of a 2.89. Our net margins are 34%. Our new customer CPA is $47.80. And we had about $3,900 in ad spend. So pretty good numbers there. Again, this is month 2. I'm not mad at it. I'm not trying to make profit right now. I'm literally just trying to get a bunch of reviews, get a bunch of customers, get a bunch of testimonials, and more importantly, get feedback from actual customers on what they think of our products. What can improve? How's the packaging? What's the hang tag? Our email flows that go out post-purchase once an item's been fulfilled, are they leaving us reviews, testimonials? How are we incentivizing them to give us photos and videos of them unboxing the product, right? All of those things. So super important to understand your data, obviously, but then getting feedback from your customers is like crucial. You need to do this. Okay. So this was month 2, $11,307 in sales. Net profit is $3,866. Now, month 3, bam, $5,546 in profit. That is in my bank account right now. Okay. Total sales, $13,107. You'll see here the blended ROAS is up to a 4.05. That is almost a 40% increase in ROAS. We have a 42% margin now, so that's a 21% increase in margin. And then our CPA has gone down. New customer CPA has gone down nearly 26%, down to $35. All right. So these are the metrics you want to take a look at. So $47.80 CPA is now only $35.40. So we shaved off $11-12 from that, which is amazing. That directly affects our bottom line revenue. That increased our margins as well. So overall, super stoked with everything going on here. Now, because this is a brand new business and it's literally a brand new trade that we've learned, this is an embroidery business selling personalized items to people on sweaters. So despite the fact that we're going through a nationwide heat wave, we're still selling sweaters, which is absolutely insane. I don't think that if these were non-personalized items, we'd be having the same success selling sweaters in 110-degree weather, but we are. So I think there's something to say about personalized items. Aside from that, we really, if you look at the ad account here, we're only selling in this one CBO right now, right? It's a broad CBO. It's learning. It's Trip Oil is still not tracking all of our conversions here. But overall, I think we have some, it's decent what it is tracking. It's 2.02. Here, conversion value is definitely way off. But my point of showing you this is we're not doing any creative testing here. $0 in spend for creative testing. We've killed the one broad that we had running for the holiday season. And our sole focus right now is to dial in production, dial in fulfillment, dial in all of our email flows, pre-purchase as well as post-purchase. So pre-purchase would be like abandoned cart, abandoned checkout, browser abandonment, some retargeting ads there. We're not doing any of that yet, but it's something we're focusing on for next month. And then post-purchase, we want to get testimonials. We want to get reviews. We want to get videos from our customers, UGC from our customers. We want to get photo reviews, right? So we need to incentivize all these things. So right now, we're averaging about 100 sales per month. We had over 300 orders now. And what we're trying to do is really dial in again, like, what can we do to incentivize a customer to leave a review? Now, this store is absolutely going to pop off for the holiday season, right? Like Q4, Christmas gifts, Hanukkah gifts, right? This is absolutely going to go insane. So we're trying to figure out how we can scale production. Now, if you watched some of the earlier videos, we had one embroidery machine. It's our first embroidery machine ever. I've never touched one in my entire life. We ordered that in March. We were kind of figuring it out, dialing it in, and then we launched our store at the end of March, so 28th, so basically the beginning of April. And now we have 4 machines. So we have 4 machines. We've increased our output. We're getting better at the customer artwork proofing kind of process, right? Because they need to upload a photo. We then convert it to an embroidery file. That embroidery file then gets sent back to them for artwork approval. They can either ask for revisions or approve it. If they do ask for revision, we have to send that back to the designer. And we're trying to make this as hands-off as possible, so I'm not stuck spending 4 hours a day on artwork and stuff that can be automated. So we're really leveraging Zapier. We're leveraging VAs for this as well. We're training a VA right now, which I'll get into on the next video. But we're really trying to streamline this as much as possible so we can focus on the needle movers, which is the production and fulfillment, and just really decrease the time it takes from when someone orders it to approves the artwork to receives their item in the mail. And then what happens after that is the UGC generator, right? That's where we want to get those videos, the testimonials, the reviews, boosting trust, increasing conversion rates, and really just helping this brand scale. Okay. So aside from all the ads metrics we have, aside from, everything that's going on in Triple Whale, it's really, really important not only to get feedback, right? I always say, analyze your ad account, right? Look at your customer journey, find the bottlenecks, and form a hypothesis that you can then optimize for better performance in the future. So if you want a better conversion rate, you're not going to get that if you're not focusing on your added cart ratio. Why? Because you can't make a purchase unless you first add to cart. Right? So let's focus on getting our added cart number up and see what that does to conversion rate. If we have a bottleneck between checkout and purchase, let's figure out what's going on that checkout page. It's not giving someone what they need to go through and complete their purchase, right? So these are all important metrics, but the most important metric once you start getting sales means that you validated your product. Congrats. That's a huge first step. It means you have a product people actually want and the market wants it. There's some sort of demand for it and you're supplying that demand. What's most important though for long-term success in a brand is getting customer feedback. So most people say, well, they didn't leave a bad review, so they must like it. No, you want to ask them for the honest feedback. What did you not like about it? What did you love about it? And see if there's something that you can fix. Maybe they don't like the weight of the sweater. Maybe they don't like the hoodie. Maybe they don't like the fit. It's not like it's more of an oversized look and not a fitted look, right? Maybe it's the texture of the garment. Maybe it's got too much polyester and it's not like the soft feel they're looking for. This is like the time, the first year in business. We only have 3 months that we've been around so far, but literally like getting that important feedback so that you have more happy customers now, so that when you scale, your business doesn't fall apart with terrible customer reviews, which will happen at scale. You want to fix the problems now. Okay. So I always recommend the book, Ready, Fire, Aim. Not ready, aim, fire. We want to get the product to the market as quickly as possible, validate it, and then aim our crosshairs where we need to fix little bottlenecks in the account, whether that's on the ads, whether that's on the Shopify store itself, or whether that's the product. And we can only get product information for customers. So always be polling your customers, asking them what they would change if they could change something. What do you love? What do you hate? That's going to lead to a lifetime value of a customer that far surpasses brands that aren't asking their customers what they love and what they don't like about your brand, your product, whatever it might be. Okay. So let's wrap this up with, if you want to learn exactly the ad account structure that I use, my creative testing strategies, audience testing strategies, everything that I do and I've learned through spending over $100,000 on courses, masterminds, workshops, private one-on-one coaching sessions. I don't just take one person's word, as the truth and facts. I always test everything that I'm hearing out in the world of gurus, Facebook ads gurus, and test it in my own account to see what works. Now, we've spoken before about broad, right? Like maybe 2 years ago, a year ago, I wasn't running broad audiences. Now I'm running 80% broad audiences for all the accounts that I touch with my hand, which is over a dozen, right? And the thing about broad is it can work for your business. It can work for any business, but you need to know how to create creative that the algorithm can read and find who your audience is meant to be shown to from your things like your copy, your headline, and your actual creative itself. All right. So if you want to learn everything that it is that I know about Facebook ads, e-commerce, email, Google, everything, click the link below. You'll be asked to sign a quick little form to join my community beta program, the Grow House community beta program. You're going to hop on a one-on-one call with me to see if you, it's kind of like a application for a job, right? I don't want a bunch of drop shippers in there. I don't want a bunch of people in there that are looking for products to steal for themselves. That's all you get with Facebook groups. So this is held off of Facebook. I don't want people DMing you, all that nonsense that you get when you're in these Facebook groups. I'm in all of them, believe me, I know. So we're building a community of active entrepreneurs that are currently scaling their brand or products using paid media, or maybe not using paid media, but want to get their toes wet in it. Maybe they're selling locally at a farmer's market. Maybe they're selling with some organic traffic they're getting from Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, whatever. If you want to learn how to scale your brand and you're actively trying to do so, please click the link below. Join the free group. It's nothing, it's literally over $100,000 of information that I have tested in my account, adjusted accordingly, found my own strategies and concepts that work, and I'm sharing them with you to test in your account. All right. I'm not promising this will work for you, but I promise that if you join the group and we start getting active with other entrepreneurs that have the same goal, which is the Grow House, baby, we're trying to grow our brands, please click the link below. That's going to do it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed the content. This brand is still moving very, very fast. We're still trying to keep up with all of the demand from production to fulfillment to customer support, all those things. We are releasing our next product right now. We're only selling sweaters. We're releasing our next product next month, and we're really looking forward to shooting some videos on how to launch a brand new product, leveraging your email list, your SMS list, and some retargeting ads. So we're going to get into that, and then just kind of all the things that come along with scaling a brand. All right. So just to recap, we're at $39,882 in sales total. That's from the first month, few months and some change here in July. And we'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe if you want to learn how to scale your brand with me. It's all free. Hope you the best. And thank you so much for watching this video. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here watching this video with me. And I know how valuable your time is. So I really appreciate you watching the video to the full. If you're still here with us, give me a like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the Grow House Community Beta. Peace.